Welcome to Life Extension Live. I'm Dr. Mike, and I'm here with my co-host, Dr. Crystal.
How
you doing?
I'm excited.
Look where we're at. We came to the Life Extension Health and Wellness Market. We love down here in Fort Lauderdale.
Yes, Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
We love coming here, and I have a feeling somebody is going to be doing some shopping today.
I think you're right, Dr. Mike.
We came down to the store because we have some new gummy products coming out.
Yes.
And we wanted to introduce these gummy products to you. The first one, let's see if we can see if I can hold it, is a gummy melatonin.
You know I like gummies, Dr. Mike. That's my new thing.
Your new thing. Gummies are good.
My kids got me started with gummies.
The good news about this is, we have a delicious gummy, no added sugar, and at the end of the day, it's still melatonin. Healthy, restful sleep.
Well, and it's 3 milligrams, and that's something you don't often find with gummies, where they're optimally dosed. And the 3 milligrams, that's a pretty good dose.
I think that's a good, some people may not want to start that high, but 3 milligrams is where most people end up when they take melatonin. I take 6 milligrams.
Oh, so then you could take 2.
I would
because
take
it's
2 of
3
these.
milligrams in one gummy. It's a strawberry flavored gummy. Again, no added sugar.
Natural coloring.
Black carrot.
Black carrot, yeah.
Black carrot. Vegetarian.
Gluten-free, non-GMO, free of allergens.
Yeah, let me tell you, Life Extension really knocked it out of the park with this melatonin gummy. And what's most important for me, it tastes good.
It tastes good. It has your classic stevia, and there's another one called allulose.
Yes, that's a new sugar.
A new one. Plant-based sugar compound. They do not affect your blood glucose levels.
That is important.
That's the key thing, right? So this is RDO, and at the end of the day, melatonin, I already said it, restful sleep, healthy sleep, helps you go through all the stages of sleep so your body can restore and heal. But it's also a great antioxidant for the brain, right?
Yes, it supports the immune system, and we know that sleep is a foundational component.
It's part of self-care, right? We talk about that all the time. Immune system, stress management, sleep management, great for cognitive health as well.
Yes, so a tasty way to get a good night's rest.
Check out Life Extension's new melatonin gummy.